Hello, how are you today? Ooh. Say hi to everyone, Thrall. See yourself in the camera? Say, hi! Huh? Not gonna? Yeah, all that meowing and now he's not gonna say anything. What are you doing?
Wow.
What?
Wow.
Really? Guess where you're sitting? Musitan zum Städtlein aus, oh du mein Schatz, bleibt hier. Yes, I'm still congested. I'm getting a few things done, and then I've been spacey and in and out of sleep, kind of weirdness. So I must be getting better, but not soon enough, and it just wants to spread and hang out and vacation in my body, and I don't want it to. I want it to move along and go somewhere else. I have, stuff that I will have to do around here, but at least it gives me some time for me to kind of sort it out and figure out what I'm going to do first when I have the gumption and feel better. There's some things I want to do, and it'll eat at me until I do them. But I did go out today. There's a coupon for a new store opening. It's like a Family Dollar store. It's mostly cheap crap in there. But I do buy my toilet paper, paper towels, Kleenex, soap products, stuff like that at the lesser expensive stores because it's pretty much the same thing. So I did that, and then I went to the grocery store and got a couple things, so my pantry, the basics are filled, so I'm set for a while. I don't go out much. It was really cold today. The wind was whipping around. It was really, really cold, and then it was almost too cold to snow, but I saw some flakes trying to come out of the sky. It's supposed to get worse this weekend. I guess it maybe warm up a couple degrees, and it's going to snow or something, I don't know what. Oh boy, looking forward to that. Not. Yes, I'm tired of this stuff. But, I don't know. Catching up on stuff, and I started watching a movie yesterday and I fell asleep. And I sat down to watch Ellen, the Ellen Show today. Comes on at 3 to 4. 4 o'clock's the news, 4:30's Jeopardy, 5 o'clock's local news, 5:30's international news, 6 o'clock's local news again. I sat down at 3 to watch Ellen. The next thing I know, it's 6 o'clock. I missed Jeopardy. I don't like missing Jeopardy. My brother teases me, calls me Rain Man. Yeah. Anyway, I didn't get much accomplished today. A little bit, not much. Got a little gas for the car. The prices have gone up, and ice cream prices, I thought, well, I could use a little ice cream to bring the fever down. Yeah, that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. Oh, man, the prices of everything have gone up. It's terrible. What you gonna do, right? Well, I might just tinker around here with the organ since I'm out here. I came out here to film from a different location in the house, and there's a nice light here. I'm blinded. Yeah. That's a picture. It was part of a poster I got at Goodwill. I cut the bottom part off because it was damaged. That is the gazebo in front of the Municipal Opera of St. Louis in Forest Park. So I thought it was appropriate being here by the musical instrument. Yeah. Well, yeah, my humor's there, so I'm not feeling like death warmed over or anything. I'm just trying to get rid of this crap that just wants to hang on. Yeah, trying not to go anywhere or do anything, because I'm trying to bolster my immune system slowly but surely over the next couple days of resting. Just doing stuff at leisure. I mean, not forcefully getting stuff done. Like if I don't feel good, I sit down or I stop. And then I go back to it and then I stop. Sometimes that's what you have to do. Well, tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully something good will happen. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see how I feel then. And what if I get anything done. I need to change the bed. And then I thought about changing the bed and the dressers around in the room so it's in a different position. But that requires some energy, and I don't want to overdo my immune system. That'll be in the back of my mind to things I want to do. But the bed, I can change the bed sheets. That's not a big deal. And I still haven't had that nice hot shower. So I'll probably do that in the morning. Because who wants wet hair at night? Not me. And my hair's so thick it'll be wet for a while. Okay, enough said. Take it easy. Upward and onward.